In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a social media planner in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable system for planning, organizing, and tracking your posts across all your platforms. Start by opening your Notion workspace and creating a new database dedicated to social media planning. A full-page table works best here. Give it a clear name so you can find it quickly later. This database will act as your command center, letting you see everything at a glance and drill down into the details when you need to. Next, add the key columns that make your planner useful. Keep the default title field for your post title. Create a platform property as a multi-select so you can tag posts for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Add a status property using a select type to track where each post stands. Create a publish date using the date property and enable time if your schedule is time specific. Finally, add a content type property to label whether it's a reel, story, static post, carousel, or article. These properties together will let you filter, sort, and view your plan in different ways. Now, set up your workflow stages so you can track progress from start to finish. In the status property, add idea, draft, scheduled, and published. Give each stage a distinct color for quick scanning. New entries can default to idea, and you can move them forward as you write, review, and schedule content. Switch to a calendar view to visualize your posting schedule. Create a new view. Choose calendar, and make sure it's connected to your publish date property. This gives you a clear timeline, helps you spot gaps, and makes it easier to balance content across the week or month. Open each database entry to store the content itself. Use the page body to write captions, list hashtags, add media links, or jot content notes. If you host your media elsewhere, paste the link here so everything is centralized. You can also drop in checklists for tasks like design, approvals, and final reviews, all within the same page. Use filters to organize posts by platform. Create filtered views for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or LinkedIn so you can focus on one channel at a time without clutter. Save these views for quick access. Finally, review and update your planner regularly. Move items through the workflow. Adjust dates if timelines shift, and keep an eye on your calendar to maintain a consistent, reliable posting rhythm. With this setup, your content pipeline becomes clear, manageable, and ready to scale.